Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saurav Kumar. I am working in UPSIFS Lucknow as an assistant professor in School of Forensic Science. My domain is chemistry. This is Electrochemical Work Station, which is a versatile instrument used primarily in electrochemistry for conducting variety of experiments involving electrical and chemical processes. It often found in research lab, industry and various educational institutes. The main portion is potentiostat, by means of which we applied potential and measure the current in an electrochemical cell. The electrochemical cell consists three main components. The first one is working electrode like glassy carbon electrode, pyrolytic graphite electrode, gold and platinum electrode, etc. The second one is AgAgCl reference electrode, by means of which we are measuring the potential with respect to AgAgCl redox couple. The third one is counter electrode or auxiliary electrode. So, these three cell setup is responsible for the determination of potential and current. The major application in field of forensic science is determine the drugs of abuse, to determine the heavy metals and to identify the explosive residue. We are planning to develop the sensors and biosensor for on-site detection of drugs, explosives and heavy metals, and as this technique is very fast, cheap and convenient, and we can miniaturize the potentiostat and can operate by using our mobile phones. Thank you.